Good morning students, and today we are here for discussing about the problems of India and their remedies or the solutions. And today topic is the regional inequalities. First of all, what is mean by regional inequalities? Regional inequality is nothing but some part of the nation are developed and some part of the country are underdeveloped. Underdeveloped considered as the backward. So still which areas are backward and still already some areas are developed, that is considered as the regional inequalities. So what should the government has to do? Plan for removing the problem like regional inequalities. The government has to provide the developmental programs to the through the local government to improve the backward areas. Example, Bihar, Manipur or some Mizoram and Hyderabad, Karnataka region, these places are considered as the backward area. Example, in Karnataka we provided through the 371J article to improve the Hyderabad, Karnataka region. So like this we can solve the problem like regional inequalities. And next about corruption. What is mean by corruption? Corruption is nothing but offering the bribe to achieve the illegal benefits for personal gaining, for personal benefit. So that is the corruption. So here the tax evasion, illegal hoarding, smuggling, these are the part of the corruption. So how can we have to control the corruption? Corruption has to control through the good government and by installing the CCTV cameras in the government offices, and not only that, we should have to appoint the Lokayukta, Lokapal for bring down to the corruption. So this is about the corruption. Next about the communalism. Another one point we going to take the point like a communalism. Communalism is nothing but the deep attachment, affection toward their community and their religion, and that is leads to the communal violence. Communal violence destroy the peace of society and destroy the peace of nation. So that's why it is also hamper for the development of the nation. That's why how should we have to solve the problem like the communalism? Through the uniformity, through the civil code, through treating the all religion equal, we can curb the communalism easily. So these all are point today we discussed. Remaining part in the next video. Thank you so much.